This isn't going to work well.
It's fun.
Hey, real fans. Welcome to a Friday night here in the hobby room with the regular guy. Normally, this Friday night thing that I do is reserved just for members only, all you faithful supporters of our channel. But to those people, if you'll forgive me, I think this video requires a wider audience than we would normally get. And that is because I want to say thank you and pay tribute to an awesome model railroader, somebody that loves the hobby and puts out so many great videos. And he lives down in Panama. If you watch our old live streams, you know who I'm talking about. But that's Roy Smith down in Panama with the Union Pacific Evanston Subdivision. Now, Roy, I want to thank you right now for an inspiration you gave me for something I'm doing here in the hobby room. Let me just take a sip real quick. There you go. And tell you what I'm working on. I watched one of your videos where you decided that you wanted the branch line in your yard and stuff, in the upgrade you did. And forgive me, Roy, I can't remember the name of the town, but it's where you put in the roundhouse and all that stuff. By the way, it looks awesome in its finished state. It looks totally amazing. Matter of fact, I'm going to add some lighting and stuff like you did to this scene. So you're a double inspiration to me. But I watched that video and I'm thinking, you know, I'm rehabbing Switch Junction back here. And I want to do the same thing. I want to sort of raise the terrain around the track. And so I'm taking your inspiration and I'm doing that here now. In the case of Roy's video, which by the way, there's a link in the description of this video. And probably right now, there's a card above my head to that video. You got to watch it. It's amazing stuff, by the way. Watch the whole series. Come on. I didn't want to raise my elevations up as high as a cork road bed, which is what Roy used. I went a little bit lower, so I have a little bit higher deal. But I didn't want it to be looking like mainline. So in my case, what I did is I just took some paper and basically made a tracing of where the tracks are and cut that paper out, put it down on a piece of cardboard, and then cut it out and set it up in there. It's, as you can see in this, it's not quite as high as cork road bed, but high enough to raise the elevation. I think it's going to look pretty good when I'm done. We will see. I'm about ready to glue this down, and then I'm going to put drywall mud, my friend, all over everything, sand it smooth, and then we'll add the asphalt roadways and the dirt and all that stuff to it. All of that you're going to see in a regular It's My Railroad video. But again, the purpose of this one is to give you a little update on what I'm working on and let you know that's the kind of stuff we do behind the scenes here at It's My Railroad. And to thank my friend, who I frankly haven't talked to in a while, Roy Smith. Thank you for that inspiration, and to direct all of you to go to his channel. I know many of you are already subscribers. Amazing stuff over there. He's a great guy. And I guess that's about it for the Friday night from my hobby room. I've got plenty of projects I'm working on, plenty of stuff we're doing, and plenty of these. So until I see you again on the normal broadcast, thank you guys so much for watching this. Thank you, Roy, for your inspiration. And my name is Steve Brown. Rail on, my friends.